Don't know why I'm hoping for what I won't receive, falling for the promise of the emptiness machine. The emptiness machine.